Alright, here's a quick runaround of the surface grinder, Mitsui MSG-205MH, 2005 model. Has a Walker variable strength truck controller, Sony 2-axis DRO. It has a variable frequency drive for variable speed on the grinding wheel. Has automatic whey lubricator. We've got fine feeds on the down feed, fine feeds on the cross feed. Also has a work light and including the spindle or the coolant package, which is all that guarding that you see there. And in addition, it has a coolant tank that's wired right up to the machine. That's a Gray Mills brand. And then the on and off is just right here. There's a contactor and a transformer in there, so it's wired right through the machine. Here's the chuck. Walker LBP, that's a fine pole. And then there's the size right there, 6x18. Includes an additional wheel hub. And it has some of the original tools that would have come with the machine. So open the wheel here. And then the spindle's controlled through here. That's full speed, 3470. Runs very smooth. You can also change the speed directly through here. I had entered 3000, so. Everything runs really smooth with the spindle, as you'd expect. Paint's in excellent condition on this machine. Overall, excellent condition. Table locks here. Super smooth table. Through the whole travel, it's smooth. No issues there. And then here we've got, we'll engage the fine feed here. Also this fine feed. Very easy to get these numbers. Disengage those and everything's again. It's very smooth. Back up here, and that's just an overall view of the MSG 205MH. Thank you.